The solar calendar is what we use now, right, for everybody. But the Chinese has two separate calendars. One is called the lunar calendar. And that's the according to the cycle of the moon, 28 days the cycle, and every 4 years you add one more month to it. And another one is what we call Nongli, the agricultural calendar. Actually, it considering quite a few planets, even in our solar system, but even those who are not in our solar system. For instance, I just found out that the sowing day and the harvesting day actually is according to the position of Pleiades, but definitely Jupiter, Saturn, several major planets are considered in the agricultural calendar. And that one is how the 24 solar systems, they call it solar systems, but we call it 24节气, 24 seasonal nodes. So every 15 days is a node. And that's what 大寒, the big cold, 小寒, the small cold, big snow, small snow, winter solstice, and all of those were coming from that system. Okay, so the calendar system from the agricultural one, I consider it very advanced. It's not according to one planet, one sun, one star. But rather it's a pretty sophisticated modeling. So for that one, it's much more accurate than lunar or the solar calendar when you plan your agricultural activities. And we consider our body follow the earth, right? So we will follow the 24 seasonal node to do your eating, to do your when to get up, when to go to sleep, and also what type of foods should be, right? And because it's considering the 6 most influential climate factors, right? Hot, cold, dry, damp, wind, and heat. So we consider those 六淫, 6 pernicious influences. And those are modeled, just like the weather now, they're modeled after a lot of factors. And this one too, the seasonal nodes too, are modeled out after quite a few different factors.